Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Audible, and today's video is all about an audio upgrade, not only adding functionality but also adding in an upgrade of the actual sound as well in the Land Rover Defender. So the customer was after two key things, adding on functionality, but also actually upgrading the overall sound in the vehicle too. So we have completed both. Today we're going to be talking about the head unit to start with, then moving on later to talk about the sound. So let's jump inside the vehicle and show you exactly what we've done. So in terms of the actual radio upgrade that we've gone for, customers after adding functionality via the phone, that's via Apple Carplay and Android Auto depending on the phone, but also having the override feature of built-in navigation. This Pioneer unit is absolutely incredible, really nice touchscreen, very responsive. You've got the volume up and down button here, full navigation as well, but obviously you've got Apple Carplay and Android Auto, so if you own an iPhone you can connect up your phone very easily and all completely wirelessly as well, and have all of your map like Google Maps, Waze, Spotify integration all live directly on the unit itself. As well as Android Auto, you've got calendar information, again your music integration live into the unit. You can also add digital radio into this, add reversing cameras as well, so there's a lot of functionality that you can actually add in. Plus when you do this, you've actually got a CD and DVD slot live directly behind here as well, which is really nice. So a lot more features have gone in. Customer during the consultation with one of my colleagues went through everything in a load of detail. We do this either in a matte finish or a gloss finish, so we've gone for a gloss finish which looks really nice in the vehicle, very special in terms of how it's all located in here. Plus we've relocated some of the buttons to do the doubled in conversion on the vehicle to over this side. We do a couple of other options available as well, so during your consultation when you come by see us, we can go through everything in a load more detail. So in terms of the audio upgrade, obviously there's hundreds of different levels and options that we can go to. However, this is quite a common one, hence why we're doing the video. In terms of the solution, the way the customer and us have spec'd the system is using a front and rear upgrade, all running off factory equipment other than the new radio. So it's all powered from the actual new Pioneer radio. In terms of the actual upgrading components, we've got an Audison Prima AP1 tweeter floating on top of the dashboard here. Looks really nice. Then we've got an Audison Prima 4-inch speaker down underneath the dashboard in a stock location with the new grills. Then behind at the back of the vehicle, what we've actually got is the Audison Prima 5-inch speakers live directly, and they're a coaxial design. So we've got a tweeter, a separate woofer underneath the dash, and then a coaxial design which has a tweeter built into the actual cone itself. So we're all wrapped up here on today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you do want to see any more stuff in our videos, you know we post a new video every single day. Comment below, let us know your thoughts, but thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you all very soon.